Hello, this is the Leaf Geek here, coming to you like I promised. I was going to make a few videos on the Nissan Leaf, kind of review. I recently bought this Nissan Leaf here. It's a 2013 Nissan Leaf. It's the SL version. I believe it comes in 3 versions. Nissan sells it in an S, SL, and an SV version. As you can see, it's a maroon color and has a little bit different features on it than some of the lower end features. Anyway, if you come around here, it has leather in here, and as you see, it's charging here. Now, there's going to be a 1, 2, and a 3. Right now, it's below 50% battery. It's been driven most of the day. My wife took it to work and whatnot, so here it is being charged. So it's a nice indicator letting you know where we're at with the charge. Right here, I've installed a 220. It's a Nissan zero emission. I had to install this, so I had to run a 220 into my main breaker box, run it outside my house, installed it, put it in here, plugged it in. Got this off Amazon. They're between $500 and $800. Highly recommend you buy this. This takes anywhere from 2 to 8 hours to charge your Nissan Leaf, depending on where you're at. If you're about a half battery, it takes you about 2 hours. If you're a dead battery, it'll probably take you about 3 or 4 or longer. But it's rapid. It's pretty quick to charge. This is kind of nice. Go with the power's on, lets you know, ready to connect. The vehicle charged. Right now it's charging, as you see. If there's trouble, that turns red. Lets you know it's bad. If I want to stop it, I can hit stop. If I want to start it, but usually when you plug it in, it starts itself. If I want to unplug it, kind of goes around this nice little handle thing here. But as you see, I open it up like this, and I unplug it. I push this in, I pull it out. Right, you're gonna hear the car make a thump sound, kind of indicating that it's switching off. You take it, and this is pretty much your fuel pump. Plug it in like that, and you're done. Okay. I found out it's costing me about 20-25 bucks a month to run this vehicle. And I'm averaging between 30 to 50 miles a day. So if you do the math and what we pay for electricity, I'm driving for about 3 cents, 2 to 3 cents a mile. I don't think you can get better gas mileage than that. So I've been completely happy with that, the money savings. If you come over here, I'll show you the different kind of ports. Now this is the SL version. So I think the S just comes with the 120 port. This is just the normal, either trickle charging. There's 3 levels of charging. You got level 1, which is a trickle charger, and I'll show you in the back. But it's just a 110 charger. You can just plug into any 110 block. You can plug it in inside, outside in your garage, and you can plug it in here in this trickle charger. It's called level 1. Now I don't recommend using that one because it takes anywhere from 10 to 12 hours to plug that in. I mean, you'd have had your buddy's house and you're gonna sleep overnight anyway, and you're having a party and you're there. Hey, plug it in, let it charge. You might as well trickle charge it. It might take forever, but it takes anywhere from 12 to even 14 hours, depending on how much you need to charge. So I don't recommend using a trickle charger. The Nissan comes with the trickle charger by default, and people still today use that. I don't recommend that. I recommend getting the 110 charging off eBay or off Amazon, installing that. That is a way better unit. But that's level 2 charger. That charges much faster, like I said, 2 to 4 hours, and it goes into the same slot. As you can see, it has a little protector. Open it up, you close it, has a little light. It's kind of nice, so you can kind of see what you're looking at. This big bad boy, as you see, is about twice the size. If you see this right here, this is called a level 3 charger. It's called a CHEVDO. Don't quote me on that, but it's a much higher, high voltage rapid charger. Now, I don't have a rapid charger here, but the only places that have rapid charger are typically the Nissan dealerships. The Nissan dealerships, there's 4 of them here in Utah. Orem, Salt Lake, I believe there's one in Orem, Sandy, and I think there's one in Salt Lake and Ogden. And I don't know if there's other ones elsewhere, but this is for only rapid charging. This thing's awesome. I use this quite a bit. If I'm in a pinch, I'm somewhere, I need to drive a little further, I can pull off at any of those dealerships for free, plug in this really big plug, boom, and within about 20 to 25 minutes I have a full battery. And literally I've gone from down to about 25% battery, only about 20 miles, and I have to plug that in about 20 minutes, I got a full battery. So that's just killer. So, free power doesn't cost you anything. It's at the dealership, and you're on your way. What you do is you push this, you push it down, it locks. Let's go for a ride.